everybody, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this video. Also hit that bell notification, that's very important, so you know when I post more videos, and check out all my social media below. So today's video, this is my first haul video. Pretty much, I buy most of my makeup and stuff at either Ulta or CVS, and even more so at CVS. For me, with the app and all that, the prices are like just as good as they would be at Walmart without the hassle of Walmart. So I'm an almost exclusive CVS shopper. No, this is not sponsored. I just love their app and it's convenient to where I live. So I did Ulta is a little hard for me to get to. It's on like the other side of town. I needed to kind of get some of my basic things that I buy all the time. And so I was like, well, I'm gonna do a haul video, and I bought some of the basics that I know, just your foundations, powders, but I bought things I've never tried before. That way I can show you what I got, and then I can try them out in a video and tell you what I think, and maybe discover something new in the process. So let me show you what I picked up. Here's my CVS bag. I think I got like 5 things, or no, got 6 things. This was kind of the hardest thing for me to pick out. I don't know why, it's just, foundation can be just such a tricky thing when you're buying something new. So I decided to go with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And it's got a sunscreen, and it's normal to dry skin. I kind of have normal skin. And it's a new look, dewy and smooth, and I got the color 225 medium buff. So I got this and I'm excited to try it. I have not read any reviews on this, which that was kind of a thing when I went to CVS. I kind of went not knowing reviews of anything, which usually I'm a big reader of reviews before I buy something, but I just kind of went with it this time around. So excited to try this, and I will do a tutorial involving this, and we'll see how it works. So I have a contouring basics video that I will link below, and I'm wanting to do like a more advanced contouring, and to do that I needed something with like more colors, and they literally only had like 2 in CVS. They had one from e.l.f. which looked really good. Then they had this one from L'Oreal. It is the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover. I'm excited to try out this cream contour palette. I've never had a cream contour palette before. I've only ever had the powder ones, and I've used like the cream sticks for contouring. So I'm excited to try this. I've never used one of these before, and when I do, I will post a tutorial and let you know what I think of this as well. So excited to try that. And it's actually a concealing and a contouring kit. So I guess if I don't like it as a contouring kit, I can always use it as a concealer. So I do love a product that is double duty. And even if it isn't double duty, like marketed that way, I will usually find a way to make it that way. So I'm glad that they just put that on the label. Apparently you can also blend these colors. It says in the back, it kind of has a diagram, which can be helpful. And it says you can blend the colors or use them individually. So that is cool. And it kind of shows you how to conceal and how to contour. So yeah, I'm actually getting more excited about this as I'm talking about it. So I will let you know. The next thing was I was needing a concealer. I used up, like, I'm almost done using up my, the concealer that I use for work. It's about gone. So I wanted to get another drugstore concealer just to have for when I don't want to use my high end. And again, I have no idea how these products perform, not only because I haven't used them, but because I have not read a single review on any of this stuff, which is scary to me always, but it's okay. Living on the edge. So I got this Rimmel Lasting Finish 25 hour. 25 hour? Well, they're just overachievers, aren't they? It's breathable, apparently, and it's the shade 200 Light. It's lightweight, medium coverage concealer, which I like. I usually get concealer, when I buy concealer for myself, I usually get light, because you always want to go a little lighter with your concealer. Long-lasting, breathable concealer with medium coverage helps to conceal imperfections. Cushion applicator allows for perfect blendability and touch-ups on the go. So it kind of comes with it's like a tube, and then it's starting to come out already. And it's got this little applicator thing here. That seems really cool. I'll probably apply it that way and then use like my sponge and stuff to blend it. We will see, and it's still coming out. So there you go. Oh no. Okay, yeah, I made a mess. That's okay, so I'm excited to try this. I will let you know. I wear a lot of I wear fake eyelashes a lot. I'm wearing them now, and they're not doing well today. I kind of had I'm kind of in an eyelash crisis because I have actually lost a lot of my eyelashes. I was using Rapid Lash and Rapid Brow, and I ran out and I never restocked, and so all my eyebrows and eyelashes that have grown in with those products have all gone away. I needed a new mascara, and I don't really wear mascara very often because I tend to wear fake eyelashes for work, and I tend to wear them for these videos. But maybe that will change if I can find a decent mascara. There is so many. I can't possibly believe that they're all that different. You know, after painting over it for minutes, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go with one, and so I just went with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude Curly Full Fan Effect Mascara, and I really just kind of like the brush, and I like a curling mascara. I used to like, I think it was a L'Oreal mascara back in the day, early 2000s, the 90s, I don't even remember. It's called like Le Grand Curl, and I really liked that mascara. I don't know, maybe this one will be cool. So I'm gonna try it, we'll see. If it can help my eyelashes, it can help anybody's. So that will be an interesting one to see how that works, because it will speak highly of it if it works good on me. So my last two items are kind of what I'm most excited about. I have this Arrow pencil. You've seen this in other tutorials, and I use it to kind of brighten up under my eyebrows, and I like it. And it's like a $20 pencil, which it's okay. That's okay. You know, I don't mind to buy it. But I wanted to see if the drugstore had anything, since I'm, just to try out, So really the only thing I could find that wasn't like white. I really like this because it's like a baby pink. It's very, very, very pale. So I was kind of wanting something like that, something kind of soft but bright at the same time. And it's not shiny, it's just bright, which is nice. So I went with this brow stylist brow razor. It's by L'Oreal. It's a highlighter and illuminator duo. It's light pale. I think I got the lightest color. I think they had 3. Getting darker. So it has a shimmer highlighter, and then it has a matte concealer. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. I guess that in there is kind of the matte end, and then that's like the highlighter. So I am excited to try this to see how it works. I like that it's a thicker pencil too, because with the thinner pencil, I really kind of have to feel like I use a little bit more. So I'm excited to try that. We will do a tutorial with that for sure. So my last product is I'm getting ready to run out of my current banana powder. And the brand is completely worn off of my old one. It's like a BP. It's like Bon Pierre, something Pierre, something like that. And it's been really good. The only banana powder that I could really find at the CVS that day was this brand I've never used, Joa Selfie Ready Setting Powder. And they have like a peach, and they have like a translucent, and I got the banana colored. It's a good, really like a big jar. I'm excited to try that. So I just did a video on baking your face, which will either be going up after this video or going up before this video. I don't know yet. That will be interesting to try. With banana powders, I've only ever used this brand, which is begins with a B and a P, something Pierre, and the Ben Nye. I've used Ben Nye. I've heard that's the best. But so I'm excited to try this. I don't know how much of a difference there'll be, but I will let you know. I'm excited to use all the stuff that I bought today and let you know how it works, and use some of it in tutorials and just come up with different ways. But it's always fun to buy stuff, and I try not to buy a ton of makeup, and so anytime I can go shopping and buy like basics, it's kind of fun and exciting. So I'm excited to try all these things, and they will all be in videos, and I will let you know how all of them perform, so you can make a more informed choice than I did that day. Hopefully none of them are a complete fail. I bought a lot of bad products. Thank you so much for watching today, and again, thank you for the support and getting near to 100 subscribers. And again, just If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And just like this video and just keep watching and keep commenting and all that good stuff. And like my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram, and I will post those below. I'll see you next time. Bye.